Guys, today was the first day of school, and I hope you followed the rules today. And you went over some of the rules. And one of the school rules is do not pull fire alarms without a fire. If you do it, then you're going to get into serious trouble. You're going to get fined or even arrested. It is a very serious felony to pull a fire alarm for fun. And if you pull this alarm with no fire, then you are going to get suspended from school. Or even expelled. So I'm serious, do not pull these alarms. Only pull them if there's a real fire. Yeah, when school let out for today, after the first day of school, there was a lot of people going near a pole station that didn't have this cover over it. I mean, that pole station was right near the door, and a lot of people were going by it. And someone almost bumped into it, and someone almost pulled it. I'm just thankful that it didn't happen. But it is a very high chance that someone could have pulled it when going out the door. So, yeah, this is very serious stuff. You do not pull fire alarms without a fire. Or else you're going to get caught quite a bit. So this is why you do not pull a fire alarm without a fire. You're gonna get fined. So remember, kids, be cool at school and don't pull the alarm unless there is a fire. Bye!